Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the model open and you want to change its look now. First, open Display Manager and select the Appearances tab. This puts visual tools at your fingertips. Drag an appearance swatch onto a specific face, feature, body, or the entire part to apply. Once done, use the confirmation handles to accept or cancel. Make sure to target the correct entity so you don't recolor the whole assembly by mistake. This immediate application starts the visual workflow and prepares you for deeper adjustments. Now refine the appearance using the Property Manager controls. Edit color and finish first, then add a texture or image map. Change mapping type to planar, cylindrical, spherical, or bounding box depending on part geometry. Adjust scale and rotation to align patterns. Use the real-time preview to spot tiling or seam issues. For metal finishes, tweak reflectivity and roughness. For plastics, lower specular and boost diffuse. Once satisfied, click the green check and preview in different display modes to verify consistency. Finish by saving the updated look into a display state or a configuration so the appearance persists across sessions. Export custom swatches or save to your design library for reuse. This streamlines future work. Make sure to test renders or Photo View 360 to confirm expected output. If the appearance doesn't show, check Real View Support, GPU driver updates, and scene overrides. Turn off any temporary display mode that hides textures. One tip: reset appearance mapping if seams or scaling look wrong after export.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.